Welcome back, dear students, to the physics vision classes. The given question is a function yz satisfies this ordinary differential equation given as y double dash plus 1 by z y dash minus m squared z square y is equal to 0. Okay, where m can take any value from 0 to infinity. So consider the four statements below. These four statements P, Q, R, S are given below. What we need to do, we just need to check the correct option for the combination of valid statements, means which of the following statements, which of these statements is true. We need to validate that, we need to find that. Okay, so let's start first by writing down the equation, the given differential equation, which is given as y double dash, okay, plus 1 by z y dash and minus m square z square is equal to, y is of course there, y is equal to 0. Fine. So let us first multiply the whole equation by z square, which is given in the denominator. The equation will become z square and double derivative of y with respect to z square plus z and derivative of y with respect to z. Then we have minus m square y. This is equal to 0. Now we'll do it in two steps. Let's see the first step according to the options. Firstly, we will do it for m is equal to 0, and then we will do it for m not equal to 0. Okay, so let's do it for m is equal to 0 first. The equation becomes y double dash z square y double dash plus z y dash is equal to 0. This is our given equation. Now what we will do, we can easily solve this equation by doing a substitution of z is equal to e raised to the power x. Okay, when we will put this and we will take dz by dx as z again, or x is equal to log z, will get a new equation in the variable x, which is given by double derivative of y with respect to x, that is d square y by dx square. This term is equal to 0. And when this term is equal to 0, that simply implies that we have d square equal to 0. That is, d is given to be 0 and 0. Notice that d is d by dx. Its derivative with respect to x and not with respect to z. So d is equal to 0, 0. The solution of this is given as y is equal to c1 plus c2 x into e power 0, that is 1. So we need not to write that step, write that expression. So we got c1 plus c2 x. Since x is given by log of z, so it is taken in this way, c1 plus c2, and this x is log of z. Hence we can say that this 1 and this log z are the two independent solutions of this given differential equation for m is equal to 0. Fine. Is this given anywhere? Yes, this is given as a statement R. Statement R is, if you see it clearly, log z and 1 are linearly independent solution for m is equal to 0. So R is sure, for sure it is correct. Okay, but it is given in all other options. Fine. So let's do it for m not equal to 0, and when m is not equal to 0, the equation is of course it is z square y double dash plus z y dash minus m square y is equal to 0. Now we will do the same substitution. Z is equal to e raised to the power x, or x is equal to log z. By doing the same substitution and solving it, we will get this equation in terms of d square y by dx square minus m square. This is equal to 0, and since this is equal to 0, it implies d is equal to plus minus m, right? And if d is equal to plus minus m, the y will be given as c1 e raised to the power 1 m, that means m multiplied with x, and plus c2 e raised to the power minus mx. Okay, this is the way we write down the solution of the differential equation. And since this is what it is, this is z raised to the power m, and this is z raised to the power minus m. Hence we can write that the z raised to the power m and z raised to the power minus m are the linearly independent solutions. Okay, so that is the statement. Okay, so one is for all values of m, or for all values of m greater than 0. So we will go for m greater than 0 only, not for all values of m, because for m is equal to 0, these are not the solution. So q and r are correct. That is option C for q and r seems to be the correct answer to this question. Okay, so stay tuned with us for more such questions, and thanks for watching our video.